welcome to the next tutorial from the ChuwiHi10Go. Before we install the drivers on the tablet PC, we need to download the driver. And you can choose where you install it, or unpack it on the USB sticks or on the tablet PC. For the drivers, you go to your Chuwi forum, make an account, log in, also you register, make an account, log in, and then choose your tablet. It's a little bit hidden in the forum, so you need to go and find something. The problem is you can search. By search you never find the stuff quickly. I must a little bit search, but I think you find it. Or I've put you two links. I made the work for you that I downloaded the files from this site here and we uploaded on Mediafire. And you need both stuff, as I'm just human interface devices and drivers ChuwiHi10Go. And after you install it, just paste and copy that on a USB stick, or you just download it for your ChuwiHi10Go tablet PC, and then unpack it and then install. You need those files, because if you don't have that, you can't use the touch, you can't use the sound, you can't use everything on the tablet, because if you update it on Windows, then they find just the graphic, the UHD graphic drivers, and that's all in Bluetooth, and that's all. And you can't rotate, and you don't have any touch function, and yeah, that's the problem that I figured out. So both sides you need, that's for the touch, that's for the drivers, and after that we see us in the setup, and I recorded with my camera. The problem was yesterday, I figured out after the installation that I was to try to capture the tablet, but it doesn't work. I think I need to install the driver for the Intel iGPU, so Intel UHD, and it shows here, by the way. Where is it? Also here. That's the problem what I got, so you need that. I think that's the reason why I can't capture that. After installation, you saw the first boot up on Windows 11. I shut down my tablet and I rebooted to try to capture a video. Windows is trying to say or ask you, or you must to set a password to log into your account if you did it local. So you need to set a password to log in, so it's important. I show you that on different ways how you can do that with a keyboard and with a display keyboard. So we see us now in the video. Sorry for that I capture my tablet, but I can't capture the display with a capture card. It doesn't work. I think I must install the drivers for that. So have a nice day, and we see us. So hello and welcome to the ChuwiHi10Go device. You see it's the July 18, 2023. So if you doesn't have I don't say that last tutorial, but if you doesn't have a a keyboard, it doesn't matter, because wait a second, wait, just don't see that. On this little guy here you can choose the display keyboard, and it pops up, and if you just have a mouse, and you can make bigger or smaller, and then you can type in, it's just a real keyboard. So I type my password, wait a second. So I'm back in. I said in the video before, if you reboot your tablet PC after the first installation, then you should try to set it password. So first of all, I change the display resolution. So right click on your mouse, then you go to the display settings, then I will rotate it because it is that? No. So now you see that in the right direction, and so I will log into my VLAN and then after I did that, I come back and show you how to install the drivers. I will copy and paste that, and I will unzip them, and I show you that. So I logged into my VLAN, and I must set the stuff from the for the Edge browser. By the way, that's not a bad browser for the tablet. Really, it doesn't bad. First of all, I installed the first program. It's it's 7-zip. I needed to extract the files. I mean, I zip them. You can use the standard zipper from Windows, but I need it. It's better to unzip it. The problem is with the new context menu in Windows 11, it's hard to unzip it. So holy, they upgraded. They upgraded. So I install 7-zip, install, and this is done. Close. Then I started just each settings, and I close it. Then I start it again. I must start it as an administrator. Right click and start it as administrator. So then go to option settings and shows all users, and I apply it. And now we go to the Explorer where I downloaded the files, and I unzip them. So I downloaded and packed in the download file out now. I just extracted. Sorry. So trust me, if you have it on a USB stick, it's great to stay there, because if you need it, you can every time install the drivers. And let's go. Just push on your keyboard the Windows key, and search for the device manager, and you see that here right now. That's all. They can't find the drivers. The problem is Windows, if you try to make it to install this driver from the online variant of online, it doesn't work. So you should local, and not the documents, search for the drivers. I go to my directory, downloads, and you need just the driver here, not just each of the folder. So you need just driver there, and then just push OK and go to next, and you see it was successfully installed. And you did that every time, and what happened? So important that you chose the folder. Push next, and you did it for the each drivers here. Trust me, it will happen. That's the reason why I did that all for you. Okay. So I will do it, and I come back, and then I show you how it works. Just choose from the top to the bottom and down, and just install it, and we see us after that. So if you figure it out, you have just one device. You can't install it with the driver folder here. That's because it's just one package, the human interface. So just go to here, just search the human interface device and click OK, next, and voila. Okay, don't worry about this message. I tried to install it with other stuff, just with the hardware ID, and I was to install other software with XLR files, and it installed some other shit too. So I trusted, and I said I want to install it, and now you have the touchscreen. So if I push there, you got your touch. So touch. I hope you can see that because it's on blue and blue. So what I do right now is go to Google, go there and search for Intel Support Assistant. Just download and install it. Trust me, it will help you. The reason why I say that to you is that if you want to upgrade your Intel UHD device, it's really great. It does it automatically. So I downloaded it and I started. Okay, let's start. So read the license and just go to install. So if you want, you can download and install this stuff manually, but there's a page and you must look for that, and that's all. it starts every time with Windows Start, and then it's helped to install some stuff like the driver for your iGPU, and that's for me very helpful. At this point we are finished, because after that you had all thing. You can rotate it tablets. By the way, I can use the I can rotate it and it works. But I forgot to tell you, it's important, so I forgot something. If you had go to the settings, that's important. Go to that here, then go to keyboard and go to display keyboard. Sorry, go to tipping and go to the display keyboard. I don't know why, but it struggled a little bit with that. But if you had no, for example, if you go there and touch there, they don't display any keyboard. So I put it on, then the display keyboard is showing up. Oh, it's not finished. Open. Okay. Open. Sorry. So, wait a second. So, you see why I use the Intel Support Assistant, because I can just download the graphic drivers and it's all. So I will say just do it because it's important, and I think Windows is in the background download some updates, so it's okay. Don't worry, it's okay. You can install your Bluetooth wireless stuff and your Windows wireless, also or Wi-Fi driver. So it depends on you what you want. You can download right now the other key web browser, and I show you. I can rotate it right now. I must put the keyboard away. I flip it. There's another keyboard, but it's on my main PC. So if I turn around, it flips. If I turn it that way, it flips. So it works. You can open new tabs, you can write, you can personality your Windows like you need it, and yeah, that's all. And you can connect your Bluetooth keyboard to your tablet PC, but make it one note: the Bluetooth keyboard or the Bluetooth chip inside is not very great. Well, yeah, it's not very great. Sorry. The problem is the range of the Bluetooth chip is terrible, and I have Bluetooth in-ear headsets, or just one pair, and it doesn't go very well, because if I too far, it's laggy and the sound is not very well. On my smartphone it doesn't have any problem, and I have it on my main PC, and that is the same. It doesn't have any problems. So it inside the Bluetooth chip, maybe I bought a dongle for me, and with the dongle I make my range of the Bluetooth very far, also from 10 or 5 meters to, I don't know, 15-20 meters, 25, but it works. That's the result why I bought a dongle. And I will not show you the install process of the Intel Support Assistant. I mean, Windows do the same stuff and install you and driver for your iGPU, and that's all. So that is all what I want to show you. Sorry for the long videos, but now you have a tablet PC, you can connect a keyboard. So I got those keyboards. The reason why I got that is you can take that and split that, and you can put inside your tablet there. So you need to upload the case for that, and you can hold it. That's the reason. One stuff I don't had to figure it out is just the camera. The camera works fine as well. Let's try it. Yeah, it's I think 2 megapixels. Don't worry about the black side because I have a case with no hole inside, so the camera works. I'll show you that. So the camera works. It's not a high-end quality camera, but the camera works. That's the reason. As the back camera. I'll show you the front camera. So yeah, everything works fine right for me. If you had some problems with the sound, just write in the comments, I will read it. And it don't gives any problems with that, I know that. But if you have some problems, just write it in the comments, sorry. For example, for the sound. So yeah, that's all. That was a full setup, and that is all. I can't do anything for you because, in that point, because the installation track is over, and that's all. If you have some questions, you can ask me in the comments. I will make a last video, but that's a technical tips and tricks video for that, and that's all. So have a nice day, and thank you for watching, and we see us in the next video, maybe, or that could be my last video. So have a nice day. And after that you can personalize your tablet PC what you want, which you want, sorry. Have a nice day.